Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your boy King Flex again, back with another video. Guys, in today's video I found a new site which you can make money on doing just so many things. You can refer a friend and get $10 money, and you can also do some taxes. You can complete survey, you can download apps, you can also post in social media to earn money, guys. So this site is called GoEarn.co. So you sign up and get $25 free in your account, guys. So this site is really making, guys. It's a new site that I found and I'm testing it out to see whether it's legit, they pay or not. So guys, I wanted us all to earn from this site, so let's all try this site and see whether it's legit or not, guys. Yeah, it's called GoEarn.co. yeah, guys, as you can see on my dashboard, I have referred 10 people to sign up using my link, and I've received $150 so far, guys. You can see some messages coming and people who are earning on GoEarn.co. So guys, this is the site I wanted to share with you guys, so you can check it out and try the site. If it's legit, you can give me you can send a comment in the description. Yeah, you can send a comment down below. Yeah, so when it works, you can send a comment down below. You can also like this video, guys. I'll appreciate that. Yeah, and also if you are new to my channel, guys, consider subscribing to my channel because I make videos on how to make money online. Yeah, so there's a link in the video description box where you can sign up on GoEarn and get $20 bonus, sign up bonus, guys. Also, guys, there's no minimum requirement for you to withdraw on this site, guys. You just hit the requirement. You just hit the requirement for first time cash out, and then you can withdraw whenever you have money on your GoEarn account, guys. So as you can see from the leaders board, so you can see people who are earning money, guys, 3 figures numbers, guys. So let's all try this site and see whether it's legit or not, guys. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.